Let's try another one. Okay, yeah, we have to do the Alt tools thing. And so, you can see 6 tasks lang ang meron sa 3DM exam. Okay. Ooh, this is fun. Ang daming layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers. Saan ako mag-start, guys? Sa L or sa square?
Square.
Square. Okay, that's no problem. Okay, so we start sa square. Okay? So, medyo sablay siya dito sa right side agad. Tingnan nga natin. Yeah, because I haven't adjusted the wall anyway. Hindi pa ako naglabas ng wall dito sa left side. Pwede kayong mamili ng panel. Which panel you want to match first, especially when you're creating your first layer. Okay? I think ito yung clearest. Tsaka andito rin kasi makikita yung height nung layers. So I choose yung image 3. Doon ako ma-match nung height. Okay? Okay. Ayan. So pansinin nyo, corner to corner dapat yung mga red dashed line. Okay? Never mind the purple. And then, adjust natin yan. Alright. Next. Which layer next? Inverted L or L? Yeah, actually here, for this image, you can start sa square or sa L. Pero I think the best part is ito, the square. Sa L, diba? Sa L ba agad? Actually, dapat dito tayo sa inverted L. Susunod. If you started here, sa square, dito kayo sa inverted L, susunod. If you started here sa L, dito ulit kayo sa inverted L, susunod. Okay? Okay. Tawag dito. Alam naman natin the square is higher than the inverted L, right? Kailangan ba natin mag-zoom in ng mag-zoom in? I don't think so. Okay, so what we can do is we just trace here on the highest point, leave your double dot. Okay, start drawing. Tapos mag-ano na lang tayo. Mag-adjust na lang tayo. Yan. Kasi pag mag-zoom ka ng mag-zoom, I think it will take you time. Kasi pag nag-zoom ka, tapos mag-start ka mag-draw, zoom out ka na naman, right? So, what I do sometimes is I just trace dito sa highest point, tapos i-adjust ko na lang siya konti pababa. Okay? Ayan. So, mukhang okay naman siya dito sa right side. We can press F3. Tingnan natin yung ibang panels. Forget to check the other panels. They look all right. Press F3. And then here, they look all right naman. And then, taasan natin konti. Ayan. And then, confirm. F3. Okay. Alright. Next, dito na tayo sa L. Okay. Okay. So, naka-H ako ngayon. Double dot. Gawa agad ako ng square. So, this is how I draw 3D. Pagtitrace ulit ako from, wait. And here. No, here na lang. And then, hindi, dito actually dapat. Dapat pala sa L nag-start. Tapos bubutasan na lang. Sorry, dapat sa L nag-start. X tool. Hover. Okay. Sa L tool pala L building pala dapat nag-start kasi yun yung more difficult shape. Hanapan natin yan. I will match here. Corner to corner. Dapat ganyan. Okay. And then lift. Check the other panels. So good. Confirm. Medyo mataas konti. Confirm. And go back to 3. And then next, we go to
Ma'am Gwyneth, question.
yes,
Di ba
pa.
yung square at saka yung L pwede siyang pagsabayin? Kasi since parang pareho sila ng height, para yung kanilang height ng vector is same, para yung gitna na lang na L ang aayusin.
Okay. Yeah, actually you can. Pero kasi parang
Oo,
hindi
kasi
siya magaan.
parang mas mahihirapan yung yung mga newbies pagka putol-putol na ganyan. Yung connection kasi na-try ko yan yung connection ng isa pang building na mas mataas siya dito sa dun sa L na maliit, na mas mababa.
It's fine.
Mahirap siya i-connect. Oo. So
Okay.
sabay yung square at saka yung L.
H to H na lang.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Kasi sa akin, hindi na siya, hindi na siya nagiging right angles pag ganun. Na, article lang yan, article.
Magbabase ka dun pa rin sa dito sa L mo. Kukuha ka dyan ng H para ihatakin mo na lang dun sa square. Saka na lang ayusin. Para pareho sila ng height.
Yeah. Okay, in a while na lang. I'm just gonna show how I would do it. Okay? Here. This one. Mag-alt tool tayo dito, guys. Okay. Wait lang ha. Okay. Mag-alt tool tayo dito kasi here, pag mag-shift tayo dito, I don't think mag-aayos yung height dito ng footprint ng L dito. So, what I would be using here is alt tool. Ayan. Para umayos siya ng height. Okay? And then, I'll be using X tool here. Wait lang. Okay? And then, wait. Ayan. Saka ko gaganyan. There. Okay. I think that's good. Just natin dito konti. So that's how I would do it kasi I started yung mga L's first. Kasi it's just me, naartehan lang ako sa mga right angles. Okay? Kasi pag for example L and then square, may tendency kasing hindi ako mag right angle here. Okay? Right. But okay din yun yung technique ni Ma'am Minda if you want to start with the L and then the square. Tapos saka nyo na lang gamitan ng H dito sa sa inverted L. That's good too. Okay? To me kasi there's just a tendency na hindi na siya mag right angle. Especially 'di ba when you're connecting from here to here. And so sometimes hindi na siya mag-right angle. So this is how I would do it. Okay? Alright. So, sorry. We have to confirm the view, F3. Okay. And then back here, confirm again, F3. Okay naman na siya. And last view, confirm F3. Okay. Now, paano itong squared part? Here, I would cut dito. Sa footprint ng square. Okay? Iangat ko siya using shift. Mat ko lang konti and then adjust. And now, for the dito medyo hindi siya nagma-match. So, I will use it. Ayun, hindi siya gumagalaw. Ayan. I will use alt tool para mag-match siya konti. Okay, what? No, actually, I can just use shift. Ayan, sorry. I can just use shift here pala. So, medyo sabog siya dito. Hindi tama. Yung okay, hindi na siya gumagana. Yung right side lang. And then, bawas. Okay. Then, konting bawas. Sobra yung pag-cut ko. Here, sobra yung pag-cut ko dyan. Okay, nandito na lang. Would cut here. Okay, here we go. And then use Alt. Okay, there we go. Next, we check the other views. Confirm. Confirm. Okay. Meron pa ba tayong other layers, guys? Besides the L's and the square?
Yung sa entrance.
Meron po na.
Okay, nice. Hindi makita. Okay, there we go. Next, we use H, switch to F, hover, and space. Hindi siya nag-match agad. So, we adjust. Okay. Okay, ito okay na siya. Next. Okay na siya. Meron pa ba, guys?
Meron pa sa loob. Maliliit. Yan.
Okay, yep, we have this one. Oops, sorry, H. Okay, dito medyo hindi siya match. So, ang gagamitin ko here is Alt tool. Okay, tapos pansinin niyo ulit yung red dashed line. Okay, corner to corner. Okay, next. Okay na. Next. Oh, okay, is there more? Okay, actually, there's one more here. Medyo natakpan kasi siya. Ano na ulit yun? Okay. To make sure you are drawing on the right spot. Okay, kasi sometimes wala ito, yung green area, green working area. Check nyo tong multi-view, the black one with L. Okay. So makikita nyo yung, ayan, blue line. Okay, that means yan yung working area nyo. Okay, just in case malito kayo kasi I think there will be one one task here sa 3D matching na medyo nakakalito. Hindi natin alam kung saan yung working area. Okay, so you have to click ito. Yung task name na with L and it's black, yung nasa gitna. Okay, to reveal the working area. Okay, all right, so there's one more here. Let's draw that. And then, medyo, siya? Dito, hindi siya matched. So we will use Alt. Pansinin yung red dashed line, dapat corner to corner. Confirm. Wait. First, naglag. It lagged dead. Wait a second. Naglag na. Don't do this to me.
Start ulit.
Nah, I don't wanna. Did not respond. Nag-crash na. Natuluyan na siya. Okay, just open again, I think. And I hope nag-auto-save siya. Ayan, nag-auto-save naman. Ayan. So, meron pa rin siya. Just go to the next. Medyo baba natin. Next. This is good. Okay. Okay, so yan na siya. Yan na yung task natin. Okay. You can pass that one. And then we can move on. Any questions?